Sandeep.
Yes, sir.
XP Nagaram, this thing. You are calling from Kannur, am I right?
Yes, sir, from Kannur.
Okay, Sandeep,
Yes, sir.
you're coming from Kannur.
Yes, sir.
Tell me, what is Kannur famous for?
The Kannur is mainly famous for its variety of food types.
Mm-hmm.
Yes, the Malabari food and the Malabari biryani is very famous all around India.
Okay. What else? Only biryani, eh?
And it is also famous for its different forts, which is located here, like Saint Angelo Fort, Vehicle Fort, etc.
Okay. What about the beach?
Yes, sir. There are beaches in Kannur. There is a Payambalam.
It's got the longest driving beach in Asia, yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Why are you forgetting that? And then Kannur is also indirectly the political capital of Kerala,
Yes, sir.
with all the so-called politicians
Yes, sir. Now
coming from there.
the Minister of Kerala is from Kannur, sir.
Mm-hmm. What about any defense establishments are there in Kannur?
Yes, sir. There is a territorial army in Kannur,
Mm-hmm.
army base in Kannur,
Then
and also a naval base in Kannur also.
naval base is also there.
A training center, Erimala.
Erimala Training Center.
Yes, sir.
Then you have your DSE Training Center.
Yes, sir.
Then you have the fourth airport.
Yes, sir. The largest airport in India.
So you have missed out a lot of things about your hometown.
Yes, sir.
Okay. You are going for the AFCAT entry, am I right?
Yes, sir.
When and where is your SSB?
On January 21st.
January 21st.
Yes, sir.
Where?
At Mysore.
At Mysore.
Yes, sir.
How will you reach Mysore from Kannur?
Sir, I will go by my private vehicle, that is car, and we'll go through Iriti to Mysore. There is a road.
What all places will you cross?
Sir, I'm not so sure about it, sir.
So what is the guarantee? Instead of reaching Mysore, you may reach Chennai?
No, sir. I have GPS. I'll go by that.
If the GPS is not working, then?
So then I'll ask some locals there around.
Mm-hmm.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Sandeep, just briefly tell me something about yourself.
Sure, sir. So my name is Sandeep. I'm coming from Kannur district, which is in Kerala. And I have done my recently completed my post-graduation from Kannur, Government College of Engineering, Kannur, in Advanced Manufacturing and Mechanical Systems Design with a CGPA of 8.53. and I did my bachelor's, that is BE, Bachelor of Engineering, from NMAM Institute of Technology, which is in Karnataka, and I have passed. I finished my 12th standard from Bharatiya Vidya Bhavan, which is in Kannur, and my 10th also I did from Bharatiya Vidya Bhavan, which is in Kannur, and I am a punctual and obedient child. That's all.
Okay. And why do you want to join the armed forces, Sandeep?
Pardon, sir?
Why do you want to join the armed forces?
Okay, so I want to join the armed forces because it is a respectable, responsible, and adventurous career which provides us an opportunity to directly serve our country, sir.
Okay. Now you're coming from Kannur.
Yes, sir.
Governing the country and joining politics is also a responsible contribution by a citizen. So why don't you go into that line?
So basically, I'm an engineer. So in the Air Force, I want to opt a career that from which I have basic knowledge of. That is in Air Force.
You have done your engineering from where?
My bachelor's I did from NMAM Institute of Technology, Karnataka.
Mm-hmm.
My post graduation from Kannur, Government College of Engineering, Kannur,
In which subject did you do your engineering?
in mechanical engineering.
Mechanical engineering. Which is the subject that you like the best in mechanical engineering?
So the best subject is manufacturing technique.
What in manufacturing?
So
What do you like in manufacturing? You like PCB manufacturing?
so I like advanced
Yeah.
manufacturing technique.
Give me some example.
So one example is the recent technology, that is additive manufacturing. And additive manufacturing is an advanced manufacturing technique which helps create complex shapes and complex materials with the new developed technology.
What did you say? Energy technique. What? I didn't hear you.
Additive manufacturing technique. Additive
Addictive.
manufacturing.
Okay. So what is it that India suffers from? So because we are very, very backward as far as manufacturing technology is concerned. So according to you, why are we so backward in manufacturing?
So we are, according to my perception, sir, we are backward in manufacturing because most of the items we use are imported from other countries, and the availability of space in our country is less because of the amount of population that is with respect to an area, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
So since you're a mechanical engineer,
Yes, sir.
what is the difference between a two-stroke engine and a four-stroke engine?
So the main difference is for the total power generation. In two-stroke engine, there are only two strokes, an inlet and an exhaust stroke. In four-stroke engine, for power generation, there are four strokes. There is inlet stroke, compression stroke, power stroke, and exhaust stroke. And
Which,
four-stroke engines are mainly used in four-wheeler vehicles, and now it is being used in two-wheelers also.
which is a more efficient engine, two-stroke or four-stroke?
Four-stroke is more efficient.
Then why do you have a two-stroke at all in the first place?
I'm sorry, sir, I'm not aware of it, but I'll get back to you with the answer, sir.
Name a two-stroke motorbike.
Two-stroke. So the old Yamaha RX 100 was a two-stroke.
Mhm.
Yes, sir.
What is an electric car and how does the electric car work?
The electric car, mainly the supply of, that is the fuel, is replaced by electricity, and uh, I am not fully aware of the working inside the engine, sir, but it runs with electricity.
Is there an engine in an electric car? Is there an engine?
No, sir, the electricity, it runs with electricity. I'm not fully aware of the working, sir.
It runs with electricity, that is battery.
Yes, sir.
How does the wheel rotate?
So the power is given from the battery to the motor to all the four wheels, or either the back wheels or the front wheels.
Name one of
So,
the best. Name one of the best electric cars in the world.
best electric car in the world is the Tesla.
Where is Tesla manufactured?
Sorry, sir.
Which country
Yes,
does
sir.
Tesla belong to?
Tesla belongs to the United States, sir.
Who is the owner of Tesla?
Elon Musk.
Where is in US? Where is the headquarters located for Tesla?
Sorry, sir, I'm not aware of it.
Okay. Tell me something about your family background. Parents, what are they doing? Siblings, how many siblings you have and what are they doing?
Okay.
How exactly do you people intermingle with each other on a routine basis? Whom are you pretty much close to in your family? Who is your role model in your family? Given a Sunday or a holiday when you are at home, how exactly do you spend that day? How much of pocket money do you get? And how exactly do you spend that pocket money? And tell me something about your friend circle. What are the type of friends that you have? How exactly do you people intermingle with each other? Who's your best friend and why?
Okay, sir. Talking about my family, my father's name is Pradeepan. He is a graduate and now he is working in a private firm. My mother's name is Deepa, and she's also a graduate and she's now a teacher. In both are settled in Kannur itself. And talking about my siblings, I have a younger brother who's now doing his BBA from Kannur itself. And we interact each other mostly during the dinner times. Around the dinner table, we all have dinner together, and we discuss the day-to-day matters. And most close to, I am actually close to both of them. I share all my thoughts and my ideas with both of my parents. And regarding my pocket money, I don't get a fixed pocket money. Like uh, and so whatever I have, I save it for future use, or if something important comes up. And talking about my friends, sir, my best friend is Anirudh, and he is my best friend because he motivates our friends group a lot to do something productive and creative. That's also. Thank you.
Okay. In what private firm is your father working?
In Hindustan Unilever.
Hindustan Unilever.
Yes.
What is he working and where?
He is working as a sales officer in Kannur itself.
Okay. What are the products that Hindustan Unilever, name some big products?
So do you want product name or product category?
Mm-hmm.
The product name, they make soaps like Lux and Pierce, and they make fashion items like Lakme, and they also make cleaning items like the Harpic and all, and they also make sanitary items like Dettol hand wash, which is of great sale nowadays. These are some of the products.
Okay. And what subject and which class does your mother teach?
My mother teaches chemistry. She teaches for 8th, 9th, and 10th standards.
Okay. Which has been your favorite subject that you like the best in your entire education days? And which is the subject that you disliked?
So first of all, the best subject that I like is mathematics, because I found it very like it attracted me that in the beginning I was very weak at math, and as I grew on and started studying the concepts of math, I began to like it, and solving the problems and obtaining the answers myself, I found an interest for mathematics, sir. And regarding the subjects I don't like, rest all are my favorite subjects, sir. But the most favorite is math.
Okay, I'll give you a small mathematical question.
Okay, sir.
Listen to it and give me the answer.
Yes, sir.
A two-digit number,
Okay.
to that you add 18, 1, 8,
Yes, sir.
equal to the original two-digit number reversed in its digit. Understood?
Okay, sir.
Two-digit number, add 18 is equal to the original two-digit number reversed in its digit. So
Okay.
what is the original two-digit number? Understood the question?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Okay, never mind. How will you go about solving this problem? Never mind the answer. How will you go about solving this problem? Tell me.
Sure, sir. The equation that is formed is 10x plus y plus 18 equal to 10y plus x.
Correct.
Yes. So then we find the value for
9y minus 9x is equal to 18.
yes, sir.
So y minus x is equal to 2.
Yes, sir.
So what does it mean?
Sir, and then by trial and error method, we find the value of y and x.
Why trial and error method?
So because we have to obtain the number.
You told your two-digit number is x and y.
Yes, sir.
And when it says y minus x is equal to 2, so all that it says is your unit digits and x 10th digit, the difference should be 2.
Yes, sir.
So 0, 2 plus 18 is equal to 20. 1, 3 plus 18 is equal to 31. 2, 4 plus 18 is equal to 42. 3, 5 plus 18 is equal to 53.
Yes, sir.
As long as the y minus x, the difference is 2, you have solved your answer, isn't it?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So, tell me, what are the games and sports you play and to what level have you played?
So I mostly played football, and I have represented the mechanical engineering department during my BTech.
What is the length and width of a football, world or Olympic size football ground?
So the length is 11 yards, but the width I'm not sure.
Yards. 11 yards.
No, sir. It is. I'm not sure, sir.
Okay. What is the weight of an ideal football, inflated football?
Sorry, sir. I'm not sure.
Okay, you shoot towards the goalpost or you take a strike towards the goalpost.
Yes, sir.
The ball gets deflated while it is going towards the goalpost. And the ball gets deflated and it goes inside the goalpost. Is it a goal or not a goal?
So it is not a goal.
Why?
So because
The ball has gone inside the goalpost.
sorry, sir.
The ball has gone inside the goalpost.
Yes, sir.
So why is it not a goal?
So because I have seen in matches that during striking, if the ball deflates or if the ball bursts, then the whole play stopped there.
Okay.
And the new ball, that is the rule, sir.
Okay. Who's your favorite sports personality?
So Ronaldo, Cristiano Ronaldo.
Which country does he belong and which club he plays today?
He belongs to Portugal, and today he plays in Juventus.
He plays for Juventus.
Yes, sir.
Why do you like Ronaldo and not Messi?
So Ronaldo, because knowing his life, I liked him. He came from a very poor family, and he is now where he is because of his determination and hard work.
Who is the present best footballer from Kerala?
It is Sunil Chhetri.
Hmm?
Sorry. From Kerala.
I think he's from your hometown only.
Yes, sir. CK Vineet.
Hmm?
Vineet, sir.
Vineet.
Yes, sir.
Which club does he play for?
Kerala Blasters.
Kerala Blasters.
Yes, sir.
Or does he play for Karnataka?
No, sir. CK Vineet plays for Kerala Blasters.
Plays for Kerala Blasters.
Yes.
Who is the owner of Kerala Blasters?
Sachin Tendulkar.
Sachin Tendulkar.
Yes.
Kerala Blasters.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Tell me something about the American presidential election is on.
Yes, sir.
When was the election?
The election was 3 days ago, sir.
Hmm?
3 days ago. It started.
What date?
The date.
Okay, who all are the contestants?
It is Donald Trump and Joe Biden.
Who, according to you, is likely to win?
So I think it's Donald Trump.
Why?
So because it was during his presidential period that America has seen the most boom in economy.
Okay. How many years are there in a US presidential term?
4 years.
4 years. How many times can a US citizen stand for the presidentship of the United States of America?
It's 2 times, sir.
Any president who has stood and become the president more than 2 times?
Sorry, sir. I'm not aware of it.
Okay. Which is the longest river in the world?
It's Nile, sir.
In which continent does the river Nile flow?
In the African continent.
How many countries does this river flow?
So from what I know, it's Egypt, sir.
How many countries?
Sorry, sir. I'm not aware of it.
Where does it start and where does it end?
Sorry, sir. I'm not aware of it.
Okay. You are joining the Air Force. Tell me, what's the difference, essential difference? Or name some fighter aircrafts of the Indian Air Force first. Yeah.
Yes, sir. From the recent is the Rafale. And the Air Force have the Mirage and Tejas. These are some that I know, sir.
That's all. You don't know anything about the MiG and the.
Yes, sir. MiG-21 is there.
And what about the Su?
No, sir. I'm not aware of that.
Not aware.
No.
What's so great about this Rafale? There's a lot of talk going on about Rafale. What's so great about Rafale?
Yes, sir. Its speed and its capacity to carry more weapons.
Its capacity to carry more weapons is the thing, is it?
Yes.
Okay. How many commands are there in the Indian Air Force?
So there are 7 commands, sir.
What are they and where are they located?
So I'm not so sure about the order, sir.
Okay. Who is the chief of the air staff?
Air Marshal RKS Bhadauria, sir.
Who is the first chief of the air staff post independence?
Arjan Singh.
Hmm?
Arjan Singh.
Arjan Singh. Okay. When you get commissioned into the Air Force, what will be your first rank after you get commissioned into the Air Force?
Sorry, sir, I'm not aware.
Okay. Tell me, what does your mother think about you?
So my mother thinks of me as an obedient and punctual child who does everything according to time and keeps my place and surroundings neat. She also thinks that I worry a lot for even for some small problems, which I am trying to improve upon.
What do you think about yourself?
Sir, I think from my looks, I'm a very serious person, but inside I'm a fun-loving and adventurous person, sir. And the thing I want to improve myself upon is the the excess worrying for even a simple problem.
Okay. Fine, Sandeep, we'll stop this question answer session.
Yes, sir. Thank you.
And since you've come here to learn on those things, so let's spend some time. This is your first interview?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So, who told you to join Cavalier?
So actually, I searched on the net and I saw that that is the best coaching center for SSB in southern part.
Why? If you search the net, there are so many places.
Yes, sir. But I saw one in my state itself, in Kochi.
Mm-hmm.
So that during this pandemic time, I don't have to go to other outer state.
Mm-hmm.
So I joined Cavalier.
Okay. So, first thing that you need to sing is the PIQ. That is there with me, what you have sent.
Yes, sir.
So, make sure the PIQ, your handwriting, you use a legitimate pen, thick black or blue color.
Yes, sir.
Write them in capitals, write them bold. Spend a little time to write that. Okay. On your, you have said in your graduation, you've done.
Excuse me, sir. Your audio is breaking up.
You have done some paper presentation
Yes,
in
sir.
your graduation. What international conference and what paper was that?
So it was the International Conference for Materials, Mechanics and Management. It was conducted by in CET, that is in Kerala. And the paper was design of blast resistant hull for armored vehicles.
Okay. And in your post-graduation also you presented the same paper?
No, sir, this is my post-graduation paper, sir, that I recently presented.
Okay. So that's your first thing, and your reasons for joining the armed forces and all that. There's got to be some more better cause and this thing. Okay, the cause is not coming out very clearly.
Okay, sir.
And you're fairly okay. Your confidence level is there, but you need to build on it a little more.
Yes, sir.
Because after all, you're coming for a competitive examination and a competitive interview, so you have to be making yourself a little different from the rest. Okay.
Yes, sir.
I hope you will be having a nice shave before
Yes,
you go and join the Air Force, and you're not going to go with this dadi and whatever.
No, sir. No, sir. I will save.
Okay. Academic background, generally, I mean, you're okay. Nothing very serious. Nothing very otherwise. Games and sports, just there. You just play a game called football. Is what you just told me. Your knowledge, the other knowledge is fair, but you definitely need to improve yourself on the Air Force awareness and the general awareness. Okay.
Sure, sir.
And since right now you're sitting on a online class,
Yes, sir.
but physically when you sit in front of the interviewing officer, your body language, your stress level, and all that needs a little more fill up. Okay, it will not be as simple as what you're sitting right now over the screen.
Sure.
So that will be a very physical meeting and a physical conversation. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Overall, I would say you're just about okay. I mean, on a good day, it'll happen, but always believe it's the bad day.
Yes, sir.
So I always give the advice that it is a bad day.
Yes.
Work for the worst. So improve on everything, your skill set, your thing and all that.
Yes.
Wear a nice, smart, light shirt. I can't see you because normally when the light candidates come, they sit in front of me. Wear a light colored shirt, a dark colored togs. Wear a leather shoes. Wear a nice socks. If you are comfortable,
Sure,
you
sir.
can wear a tie. If you are not comfortable, need not wear a tie. Okay. And that's it. Any question that you need to ask?
Yes, sir. May I ask one thing?
Yeah.
Yes, sir. While for me for technical entry, could you please tell me that in what position I will be joining the Air Force?
No, you'll be joining as the technical senior mechanical engineer, so you'll join as a mechanical engineer. You'll be
Okay.
taking care of the aerodynamics part and some mechanical part of the of anything to do with the Air Force, not necessarily the aircraft.
Okay, sir.
It could be anything to do with missiles, it could be anything to do with rockets, it could be anything to do with any other electrical appliances
Okay.
or mechanical appliances that are there in the Indian Air Force. Right?
Okay, sir. The question was to which post I will be assigned to that.
Yeah, that you have to find out. No.
Okay,
You're going to join an engineering college without knowing which subject you are going to get. Is that possible?
No, sir.
So if you're going to join the Air Force, you should know where are you going to go for when you go for the training.
Sure, sir. Sure.
You should also know how many years is that training.
Okay, sir.
You should also know as to what broadly is the subject being taught out there. And,
Okay.
and how many years you will be trained, and thereafter what will be your first rank, what is going to be your rank on top of your shoulder. Now these are things that you have to find out yourself.
Okay, sir.
Okay.
Okay.
Have you attended my classes?
Yes, sir. I got one class of yours. I
Ah.
joined this week only. I joined, sir.
Okay, I gave you the rank structure day for yesterday. Army, Navy, Air Force, we gave the rank structure, the command structure,
Yes, sir.
the various locations, all that I think we did day for yesterday.
Yes, sir.
Unless you were not online that time, but I think I saw you online.
Yes, sir. I noted it down.
Okay. So you have time.
Yes, sir.
These are the kind of things that happen. These are the things. So work on it. Okay.
Okay, sir.
And start working on it because much that I would have wished that you have come physically, because there's a lot of difference between an online gives you a fair idea. That's okay. I'm not saying no. And in this pandemic, some people don't want to take the chance, which is a fair enough judgment. Nothing seriously wrong. But certain things like the outdoor and the physical interaction of the GP, PPDT, and all that, then you have the live candidates with whom because now you've seen all the candidates on the camera.
Yes, sir.
But when you physically do it, there's a little difference. Okay.
Sure.
Much that I would have wished you had attended that, but notwithstanding, as long as you got an idea, it's good enough.
Yes.
Okay. All the best, Sandeep. Do well.
Thank you, sir.
Okay.